Mamat,
What's that?
you're ugly. Aww.
There is also family parking.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Inside.
Yalla, guys.
Go.
Guys, والله إذا ما خلي شيء نورا ياسين. Just leave her there. يلا, let's go.
Let's go. Yalla, bye bye. Yalla, mama. Come on. شوي شوي. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. Look, my clothes are here. Come on, what do you think? Good?
Yeah.
Where's the money you owe me?
Money. Yeah, money.
Wanna hear a knock knock joke? Knock knock.
Who's there?
Nazi.
Nazi who?
We ask the questions.
Yeah. Stupid prick.
يلا نقلع برا يلا.
No. Yeah. So you mean white people?
Kendall, Lulu, what the? Woof, woof. Come on, Ellie, doggy. Oh.
Don't do that. You want to watch me? Watch me now.
Hamoud, Goosey.
Goosey no goofy. Haha.
It's a Goosey golden dog.
Yasin.
Could you sit here, please? Can you try sitting there?
No.
$20 to sit inside.
Say wallah.
Wallah.
Promise.
I promise I'll pay you $20.
Okay, I'll go.
Alright, go ahead. $20. I'll pay you $20.
There's no place.
Okay, خلاص. Okay, he's gonna do the dishes.
I take this. I clean. After I clean, I put it here. Now pay me. I wash your dishes.
محمد بعدين.
I will find you. And I will chop you with some chopsticks.
And when I do chop you, I'll put you in this freezer.
Holy shit.
What about the toaster?
Toaster? Netflix inside it. As you mentioned in your last video. Look at this. My small garden.
It's a sucker.
No, don't listen to this. My, see. With
No.
your own hair garden in your kitchen. See. Read this.
Cici.
Yes,
Me know Cici.
ABC.
Who is Cici?
Your dad.
Your girlfriend.
Oh, your dad.
Hey guys, I'm gonna pull a prank on my cousin. I'm gonna slap him in the face with this. Let's see how he reacts. Hey, Hamoud.
What happened?
It's a prank.
Nice one. Entering the elevator. Haha, nice joke. Elevator. Hands low. High five. Keep hands away from the door.
No camera. Bismillah.
Okay, Mama.
Damn, look at this warehouse.
Oh my
That's
god.
cool.
Oh my god, it says deal with it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at these old boxes. See this town box? This box town, I mean. Whatever. Oh.
Sleep.
Deal with it.
We're just roaming around Ikea.
It sucks.
No, it's quite good.
It's good for vlogging, you stupid. Not PewDiePie.
Yalla Hamoud, get in.
Oh my god. Oh my god. And when you get inside, I make you drive.
The daredevils.
I do one kick, she goes so far. See?
Wow. Look at that. Wait. They're just being ridiculous.
This no ridiculous.
Later.
Hey, but his is this close.
Stupid, so catch it, eh? Yasin,
Yeah.
someone told me you sound like an owl.
Who?
You just said who? You got it? You got it?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, you stupid, you're the owl. Ah, you just proved it that you're the owl.
She keeps falling down.
Tasty.
Yeah. Good. Can I get a foot long hot dog, please?
With soft drinks, sir?
With water. Thank you. Mama, let's go.
Okay, sir, you have to come in queue, sir.
Ooh, look at that. Alright, pour some for me. Oh, slowly, slowly. Bus. Bus! Eat the dog. What do you think about the hot dog? Two.
Open!
Open, man?
Open! Oh shit, it was about to fall. Oh, she's walking like nothing happened to me. This side, where are we going?
Bye bye, Ikea. Alright, like the video
Share the video.
Subscribe the video.
and comment down below.
We see you in the next video. Peace.
Bye.
See you in another video.